I think this is the absolutely. Oh shit, no, this is the basement.
Oh shit.
Yeah, let's walk in, shell them on the line right away, man. Jeez. Wow. Alright, we're in the basement now.
Everybody in the basement.
You want this back?
Ghosts, goblins, wizards, fucking Bigfoot. Oh yeah.
You want this back?
Oh, you want to run it? Yeah, let's have someone else run it this time for sure.
Huh?
So let's have someone else run it this time.
Oh, what's the best doing?
Tired voices outside.
We're down here now. Anything else you want to say to us? You should come to the basement. We're in the basement. What is it that you want to say to us?
Home.
Want to go home? Do you miss home? Or is this your home?
Why can't you go home? I wish.
How long have you been here?
Hi.
Hi.
No.
Anything you want to say to us?
Tell us who you are.
Can you tell us your name? My name's Ryan.
My name's Benjamin.
Go ahead.
I heard that through his headphones.
Go ahead.
Over here.
The go ahead.
Go ahead what? What do you want us to go ahead with?
There was a voice.
Yeah, did you hear that?
That was a fucking that's
Hey,
That's a disembodied voice.
100.
it's
Who else is here with us? How many of you are here?
my hair's standing up right now.
How many of you are here?
Fucking talk to me.
I heard earlier, but I heard a few different like murmuring.
Say something to us. We hear you.
Rolling in the basement.
You guys tell us.
Stay here, or do you want us to leave?
You gotta tell us your names.
Did you hear that? It was like pipe.
What is it?
What is it?
It was like something moved. It was
What
like,
is
something like pipe, like metal sounding.
Are you moving something over there? Tell us if you want. You told us to come to the basement. We're in the basement. You're not doing anything. Move something. Say something.
The lady that we just heard, can we hear you again?
Are you free to talk to us?
Nothing's coming through here.
Ooh! I heard something there.
Huh?
Something came through.
Something came through as you took it off.
Say that again.
Say it again. What do you want to say?
What was it you just said?
Get out. You want us to get out?
Do you want us to leave here? We're not leaving until you make a loud noise and move something. So do that, we'll leave.
You're gonna have to interact with us, or we're not gonna leave. Scare us out of here. Who are you?
We're friendly. We just come to talk.
Why did you bring us down here? What made you bring me down here?
Do you want us to come to you?
Is Annette here?
I miss you.
You miss, who are you talking to?
Who do you miss? Who do you miss?
It was a woman voice.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking about?
Which makes sense because we just heard that woman out there.
Mm-hmm.
Who do you miss? You talking to me?
Can you say one of our names? If you say one of our names, we'll leave.
Say one of our names. What's your name? Is your name Alice?
You guys hear a buzzing or something?
Yeah.
What is that?
The fuck is that coming from?
It's like a white noise, right?
You hear that?
It just moved over this way. Now I hear it on the right ear.
You hear it?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know, but
It's white noise. It's a white noise.
Can you talk to us, please?
Is that you making that noise?
It's like your ears are ringing.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. You wanna follow it and see what it is?
Dude, how's it throughout the whole building right now?
Dude, it's almost kind of that at your cousins. Remember, I kept saying I could hear like the EMF in my head.
Mm-hmm.
You talking to me? What do you want to say?
Dude, where is that coming from?
Do you have a message?
I don't know. It's getting louder this way. Walk.
You're talking.
Dude, I fucking heard talking.
I don't know where the fuck that's coming from.
Here, let's get him out of here. Shut that off, but let's sit in the quiet. for a second.
Yeah. Mike? I will take it up. I will take it up.
just get. It just sounds like it's like radio frequencies.
The really quiet shit out there.
What the fuck was that?
Was that a female's voice that said I miss you?
Yeah, all female. That was coming through.
Let's sit here in the quiet for a second.
Yeah.
We're hearing talking.
It just says I miss you.
Yeah.
We hear a female coming through over here talking, and I don't know what this white noise is. You guys hear it too, you have?
Yeah, I can hear. I can still hear it once in a while. Especially right here when we're standing over here. Just stop now, of course. So,
Your headphones.
What were you guys running out here?
Dude, we're not running anything.
we're not
hearing
running
voices.
voices. We're just talking.
You heard voices?
Yeah.
Yeah, like voices like.
Like. Holy shit.
Yeah, let's sit here and just listen for like 2 minutes.
Yeah,
not
do
do
nothing, yeah.
Straight.
Blackout, no, no noises.
Telling you, we keep hearing like people talking in this hallway.
It's the second time.
Oh, wow.